Asus is gearing up to launch its ROG Phone 8 gaming phone, and now there is a launch date for it too. Asus will announce its 2024 ROG lineup on January 8th at CES in Las Vegas, which should include the ROG Phone 8. The official ROG Weibo account also confirmed that the ROG Phone 8 will be launching on China on January 16th. The Chinese ROG account shared a short teaser video showing a ROG Phone 8 display which will feature a punch hole cutout for the first time in the series. The display will also bring slimmer bezels compared to the previous generation. Asus has also shared more close-up renders of a recently teased ROG Phone 8 which details the new back design and the pentagon-shaped camera cutout. Asus is hosting a blind camera test for the ROG Phone 8 which implies the company was hard at work at overhauling its camera system on the upcoming device. ROG Phone 8 will come with 3 camera sensors, but we don't know what is the camera sensor on the back. It's expected to come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with up to 24GB of RAM, 65W charging and Android 14, and hope to give at least 3 years of software support, if not 4.